Hello and welcome to the Cloud Perceptor channel. Today we are gonna discuss about Amazon DynamoDB Streams, and we'll also do a hands-on workshop where we'll create a DynamoDB table and configure DynamoDB Streams on that. So let's first get some understanding about what is DynamoDB. So DynamoDB is a fast and flexible NoSQL database for all the applications that need consistent single-digit millisecond latency, and it provides this latency at any scale. It is a fully managed database that supports document as well as key value data models, and it is because of its flexible data models and reliable performance, it makes a great fit for mobile, web, gaming, edtech, and IoT applications. Now let's get some understanding about DynamoDB Streams. So DynamoDB Streams captures a time-ordered sequence of item-level modifications in any DynamoDB table, and it stores the information in a log which is available up to 24 hours. And a stream is an ordered flow of information about changes to items in a DynamoDB table. So applications can also access these logs, view the data items as they appeared before and after they were modified in real time. And the great thing about this DynamoDB stream is that it provides replication latency under 1 second. So this using this stream, you can have a disaster recovery. Probably if you create a replica in another region and configure DynamoDB streams to replicate data over in another region, then if your current region goes away, like if there is any outage in your current region, then your other region wherein the DynamoDB table is already replicated, the replication can load data from it, and I mean it can work as a disaster recovery option, a great disaster recovery option, I would say. So now let's log into AWS Management Console, and I'll walk you through the process of creating DynamoDB stream. So here I'm logged into my AWS Management Console. Under Services, you can select DynamoDB service. So this is the dashboard for DynamoDB, wherein we are going to create a new table. So currently my region is Asia Pacific, AP South 1, Asia Pacific Mumbai. So let me just create a quick table. Streams demo table. Okay, and I'll create a partition key which is uh, username, okay. And we'll keep everything as a default, and let's click on create table. So here my stream demo table is available. I'll click on it, and if you look out this option, you'll find an option for export and streams. You gotta click on that. It's gonna give you different options, like you can export it to S3, export to Kinesis data stream, and the last option, which is DynamoDB stream details. You can click on enable it. Okay, and here it's gonna give you different options for view type. So we will be selecting new and old images. Okay, so because we want to capture all the data, click on enable stream. So now the stream is enabled over here. Okay, and the stream ARN, it's created in AP South 1. Now let's create a global table, right? So click on create replica. right? And let me choose a region. I'll say select Virginia and create a replica. So you can see my current region is AP Asia Pacific Mumbai, and my replica region is US East Virginia. I'm gonna create a replica. It's gonna take a minute. All right, now my replica is getting created. The status is showing as created, creating probably. And let me just refresh it. Getting. So now my streams demo table is available in the other region, uh, US East North Virginia, and I can see it is active, and provision read capacity, provision write capacity is also allocated. This is the endpoint for my table that is in other region. Now let's see how the application works. So let's first write something into our current table. Click on view items, click on create items. So after you click on view items, you will get this create item over here. So for the partition key, I'll just add my username, and let's add a new attribute called string, and uh, let's say location. Okay, and I'll select India. Okay, click on create item. So within 1 second, it should replicate it in the other region. Let's move to Virginia, US East 1. Let's see if it has replicated there. So yep, I see my streams demo table over here. I can see one entry, username, and location. So this is how Dynamo Streams work, and this is how you can configure it. It provides great replication mechanism with a latency that is under 1 second, and this is great for disaster recovery. So this is it for today's session. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.